What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lord Bender back at it again with another banger video, man. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail today, your boy will pretty much be describing everything I love about my Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392, man. So if y'all want to hear everything I love about this beautiful looking beast behind me, the Taney Mobile, make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe because this will be a banger video. As you can see, we got the nice 4K quality camera. We got the beautiful beast sitting behind me. Also, if you're wondering what happened to my hand, I broke my finger playing basketball. So, yeah, I'm going through it right now, y'all. I'm still giving y'all a video, though. Feel me? We still on that grind. But we're going to hurry up and get to it, man, because it's starting to get a little late. So, make sure y'all stay tuned to the end, and let's get to it. All right, y'all, starting off with number one, man. Number one. One of the reasons on why I love my Dodge Challenger Scatty, man. Reason number one is pretty much because it's a two-door coupe. Going from a Charger to a Challenger, man, I feel 10 times more classier in this car. As you can see, we got that retro-looking body style, man. I just love the way it looks. It still gives me them 70s vibes. So that's one of the main reasons why I love it. It's like, I don't know, like, I love how this is one of the only muscle cars that looks like it's from the 70s, but at the same time, it's like updated to a newer car. If you guys know what I'm trying to say, y'all. She looking real good, man. Compared to the Charger, like the Charger cool and all, don't get me wrong. This gives me them 70s vibes, bro. That's reason number one. Now we're gonna move on to number two. If y'all have any questions about how this is riding or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section below. If y'all have any questions about anything in this video, just let me know in the comment section below. But we're gonna move on to number two as to why I love this Dodge Challenger Scatty. Let's get it. All right, number two, man. Reason number two is the headlights, y'all. As y'all can see, man, this is like my first time ever seeing this in a Dodge Challenger, like the inside. I do have the eyebrow thing, so just ignore that. I could take them off, but I put them on. Shout out to my sponsor, Grid Ready. I'll throw them in the description below. They sent me these, so shout out to them. But anyways, the inside, as you can see, we got like a little Dodge flag looking emblem right here on the inside of the headlight. I love how the Challenger's headlights are, bro, and I love how they utilize them as like an intake. So as you can see, there's a hole going all the way back and it's leading into my intake air box. So I just love that about the Challies, man. It's like the headlights really do it for me, y'all. Also, not only do they have the double white rings, but they also have them in yellow as well. I can show y'all in a second. As y'all can see, we have them in yellow as well. So these look really good at night and also in the daytime. They do come like this as well. This is called my daytime running lights. So the Chargers have the little C's as the daytime running lights, but these have the yellow, like the orangish, yellowish looking headlights. And I love that about the Challies, man. When you see this coming behind you, bro, you automatically know that shit dangerous, bro. So I love that about the Challies, man. They got not only the orange ring, but also in the inside they got like this little Dodge flag looking logo. I know the Hellcats also have the cat emblems in the inside, but this is my first time ever seeing this design on a Challie. And I've seen it a couple times, but my first time ever seeing it was on my Challenger. So that's one of the main things I love about this car too, is the headlights. So it gives the whole front end a meaner look. Let's move on to number three, y'all. I can't put up number threes with this little broken hand, but let's move on to number three. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so moving on to number three, man. As you can see, we got the hood propped up behind me. Number three is pretty much, you know, for shout out to all my Scat Pack owners, and I'm not forgetting about my RT boys too. But I love how this Scat Pack moves, bro. Like the Scats, like the RTs are fast, don't get me wrong, they're fast. Some of y'all gonna say they're slow, but to me, I had an RT for a little minute. If you got an RT, man, they're fast. Stay in your RT for a little bit until you're ready to upgrade. But the RTs are fast. Anyways, going from an RT to a Scat Pack, bro, the Scat is like on a whole nother level, bro. Like, I know it's only 100 horsepower more, bro, but that only 100 horsepower more is a big difference. Just being in a Scat Pack every day, daily driving this thing feels great. Like 485 horsepower, 475 pounds of torque. You're pretty much, I won't say the fastest car on the road at most times, but you are. I mean, unless you got a Hellcat to your right or a TRX or something like that, feel me? Your 0 to 60 is about 4.3 or 4.2. And yeah, y'all, it just feels great. Like the torquiness, the speed, the power that you get out of this beast is crazy. And once again, being in a Challenger, like it feels like the Charger's cool and all, but the Challie, it just stands out. In my opinion, I feel like everybody has a Charger nowadays. And I guarantee you, if you're watching this, you probably have a Charger. So that's why I went Challie. So being in a Challenger, as well as having 485 horsepower, just feels amazing, y'all. Like, it feels crazy. So I will be getting a Hellcat once I hit 50K subscribers. So give me the 50K and I'm gonna get a Hellcat. But the Scat Pack, if you got an RT right now, don't be pressed about upgrading to a Hellcat right away. If you got to get the Scatty, get the Scatty. That's why I did. That's why I took this route, because I want every level, I want every trim. Scat Pack feel crazy, y'all. Yeah, I never test drove a Scat Charger yet, but the Chalies, bro, feel crazy. So that's reason number 4. I think we're on number 4. I don't know. But yeah, number 4 would be pretty much, I guess you could say, the engine and the fact that I'm driving a Scat Pack, man. I just love the Challenger trim in a Scat Pack, or with a 6.4 liter engine. Scat Pack for the win. But my RT boys, I will never forget about y'all, man. Y'all always have a special place in my heart, y'all. I'm not gonna go Hollywood on y'all. I'll never forget y'all. Shout out to my RT boys. We all started from there. So yeah, moving on number 5, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit and give y'all some interior facts. All right, some interior details. I guess you can call it facts. I don't know. But we're gonna move on to the interior, y'all. One of the main things I love about the interior, this is number 5 as well, I think. Number 4 or 5. I think it's number 5. I just love how this comes with, well, you got different packages. There's different Scat Packs that comes with different types of seats and different features and stuff. But I love how my Scat comes with heated and ventilated seats, y'all. I don't know if y'all can really see this. Let me open up the sunroof real quick. But I love how the Scat comes with heated and ventilated seats, as well as the steering wheel. The steering wheel can get hot as well. So I just love that for the interior. And pretty much everything else is self-explanatory, y'all. I mean, the back seats, I don't think they're heated and ventilated. It's just the front seats. Nobody's really in the back anyways. That's why I got a 2-door as well, because I'm like, nobody comes in my car. So I'm gonna switch it up a little bit with the Chally. The 2-seater, the front 2 seats, and the steering wheel are heated and ventilated. The steering wheel isn't ventilated, but it's heated. Yeah, I love that about the interior, y'all. But like I said, there's different packages you can get with the Scat. You can get the cloth seats, you can get the leather ones. I don't think they make leather Scat Pack seats, so either cloth or Alcantara. So I recommend, if you're looking for a Scat right now, go for the Alcantara, where it has heated and ventilated seats, because you're gonna love that for the summertime, especially when your ass gets hot. You gonna need them. You gonna need that ventilation on your ass, y'all. Like, no cap. You gonna need that. But yeah, let's move on to number 6, or I guess you could say honorable mention or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna just keep going, y'all. So y'all gotta stay tuned to the end of the video. If you haven't hit that like button yet and you still watching this video, please smash that like button, y'all. Please share this on your stories. Shout out your boy lorShift on your story. That's my Instagram, LORSHIFT. And give me the 50K subs. We almost there. We're halfway there, y'all. We getting there. But let's move on to number 6, or honorable mention. Let's get it. Alright, I apologize if y'all hear my loud, catless, Dodge Chally Scat. Yeah, number 6 are for my honorable mention. I guess you could say I love this Scat Pack for the fact that it comes with a custom mode, a sport, and a track mode. So pretty much how you feeling throughout the day, feel me? If it's a nice hot day and you like, you know what, it's a Camaro next to me, a SS or whatever, and I'm trying to race them, feel me, go into track mode, boom. Now you get a lot more response out of your car. I love that. You can also customize your different modes, custom setup, transmission, track, paddle shifters on or off, traction, feel me, etc. So yeah, I just love that. This also comes on, I believe, the RTs as well. I don't know if the RTs come with SRT pages like this, but if you get the Z Automotive Taser, shout out to my Z Automotive Taser boys, you can get the track mode and all that extra stuff, as well as my B6 boys and Jeep and all that. So I love how the Scat automatically just comes with it, so I didn't have to get the Taser. And yeah, y'all, if I ever wanted to race or whatever, go in track mode, boom, and we good, we Gucci, feel me? Or if I'm on the street and I'm chilling, auto, or if I want to go extremely slow and cruise and get my miles per gallon up, we got eco mode as well. So this is a 2019 Dodge Chally, so I think 2018s and up, they already come with the SRT pages. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But if your car already comes with SRT pages, let me know in the comment section below. Mine is a 2019, and this automatically came with it, so I didn't have to buy the Taser or anything like that. So yeah, I just love that for the Scat Pack, man. I'm already good. I'm already set up. Feel me? Nice sounding car. SRT pages. 485 horsepower. 2-door coupe. heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Feel me? That's all we got so far. So I'm gonna think of some other stuff and I'm gonna add it into this video. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around of the outside of the car as well, so y'all can see what I got done so far as the wrap. But we got that part 2 coming out soon, so y'all might want to hit that bell as well. Now let's get it. All right, y'all, so we pretty much covered about everything, not everything, but most of the things that I loved about owning this Dodge Cali Scat Pack. But there was one more thing that I thought about. There's one more thing. And this isn't really anything like crazy or anything like that, but this is something that just is a plus about owning a Cali instead of a Charger. For all my Charger boys, I'm not bashing y'all. I had a Charger before this. I had a RT. I experienced that it was tuned. Feel me? I had a crazy looking Charger RT, bro. It was hot. It was a hot ass car. Moving on to a Dodge Challenger, I had to deal with cops a lot less. So that was one thing I love about, that's one thing I love about owning this car. Like, knock on wood, not to jinx everything, but I have never gotten pulled over in this car yet. When I had the Cali or the Charger, bro, I was getting pulled over 24/7. I was getting tickets. They got me for tint a lot of times, bro. They got me for a lot of stuff. Like, my record is kind of crazy right now, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, getting a Cali, man, it feels 10 times better, y'all. I feel a lot comfortable, like, driving and cruising on highways, even speeding and stuff sometimes. Like, cops literally just completely ignore you. The only reason they would pull me over in this car, I would think, is because of the sound. Like, it's a V8, or if they know what it is, they gonna, you know, try to be like, all right, let's stop this dude. But, like, I get less attention in this car. Like, it feels great. Not only do I have the horsepower and the speed and the fact that I'm in an SRT Scat Pack, but it's like, I don't really got to deal with cops like that because I'm in a Challenger. I'm not in a Charger. A lot of cops like to criticize you for being in a certain car or whatever. So, I mean, I don't know if y'all know what I'm trying to say, but let's just sum everything up, y'all. If you want to deal with cops less, or if you want to deal with more cops, get a Charger. If you don't want to deal with cops, get a Cali. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, bro. Y'all know what the hell I'm trying to say. But yeah, y'all. So, cops, I don't got to worry about any of them with this Challenger. The Charger, yeah, they on my ass, I ain't gonna lie. So that's gonna conclude this video, y'all. That's all I could think of for about as of right now. But if I think of anything else, I'll make sure I put it in the description below, in the comment section or whatever. But if y'all still watching this video, man, once again for the 3rd or 4th time, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I will be dropping banger videos, so comment any kind of videos y'all would like to see with a big Cali Scat. Like I said, I'm gonna start being more consistent. Mark my word, I will be dropping like 2 or 3 times a week now. Depending on what time I get off work. And by the way, if you're wondering why my hood is red, it's because it's a red eye hood. I didn't really want to show y'all that yet, but I don't got no time to waste. I can't be, because I had a whole nother video planned for that red eye hood, but we gonna screw that. Anyways, y'all, give y'all one little walk around of the car before we get out of here. As y'all can see, we got the Hellcat front bumper. We got the Hellcat air box. I didn't even show y'all that yet. With the headlight scoop. Red eye hood, as you can see, tanny. Matte black, we getting somewhere with the rat. She is in a process. We got birds shitting on the car and stuff. SRT on a spoiler. Whole back bumper wrapped. She getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere with her. Gotta do the front fender, the driver's side fender, and then the bumper, and then we're good, y'all. She pretty much gonna be good to go. Let me drop this hood real quick. Teeny Cali, y'all. If y'all see this Cali in your area, just know Lord Bender in that thing, y'all. Yeah. Alright, I'm doing too much talking, man. If y'all have any questions about anything I said in this video, let me know in the comment section below. But leave a like, hit that bell, and you already know what to do for the rest of my videos. It's your boy lorShift, or Lord Bender, the one and only Lord Tanny Mobile, and we out. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. Boom.
Simple as that.